Traveling with a delicate pie can feel like you're tempting fate, and that's why you need a pie carrier. We tested these 5. They were priced from about $12 to $26. We loaded them up with 8-inch, 9-inch, and 10-inch pies, including shallow double crust pies and taller cream top pies. Then we carried them on a walk around the block, and we put them in the car while we drove down 3 miles of bumpy roads. The bad news, a ton of pies bit the dust. They slipped and they slid around in the containers. They got crushed, they got mushed, they got mangled by lids that were too low. I mean, look at this. This is too flat and soft. What are you gonna put in there? Scarves, jewelry, not a pie. This one has containers for already cut slices. It's pretty cute, but it's really pointless. This is just a big flat Tupperware, but this one's our favorite. Its pies arrived in perfect condition every time. This handle helped us carry it securely. It's got a little grippy base inside that helped keep pies anchored inside. Plus, it expands. And then this insert creates a second level so you can carry 2 shallow pies at once. And it flips so you can hold 28 deviled eggs. It's got a nice tall dome that fit even the tallest pie we make, which is our mile-high lemon meringue pie. This thing's almost 6 inches tall. It's called the Progressive PrepWorks Collapsible Party Carrier because it squishes down for storage when you're not toting pie. For $23, your pie carrying troubles are over.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.